बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। डियर सब्सक्राइबर अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय चैनल आल टू लर्न। आज की इस वीडियो में हम जो फेडरल पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन की तरफ से पेपर हुआ था एस्पायरेंट एंड एवोल्यूशन ऑफिसर BS16 का, वो हम डिस्कस करेंगे। 2019 का ये पेपर है। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। आपको इस वीडियो में क्वेश्चन के साथ उनके आंसर भी पता चलेंगे। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले इंग्लिश का पोर्शन था। She sings beautifully. I shall go home on next Monday. What have you seen? What do you mean? He is loved by the people. Passive है. The Eid will be next week. The coat is quite expensive. He is blind of one eye. His word affected my life. When I go swimming, I have to keep my eyes closed underwater. Complex. We can wait here until Rafiq calls us. Complex sentences है ये. Either the engine start, we will remain here at night. Compound है ये. My mother cooked dinner while I was doing my homework. Complex sentence है ये. I have brought my umbrella with my in case rain. Complex. She runs every day, so she is very fit. Compound. He got up, walked over to the window and jumped out. Simple tense है. What do you want to go swimming tomorrow? You would prefer to play tennis. Compound. The student clean up after they finish the experiment. Complex sentences. Rahim plays the trumpet and his sister play saxophone. Compound. The boy did not go to zoo because they went to the park. Complex sentence. Section number 2 है. Imran Khan is the 22nd Prime Minister of Pakistan. Quaid-e-Azam assumed the office of Governor General and took oath from Mir Abdul Rashid. Liaquat Ali Khan took oath of Prime Minister Pakistan by Quaid-e-Azam. ये वाले क्लियर नहीं है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 37 से चार्टर एक्ट was who is the current prime minister of UK? Theresa May. Who is ICC all format player in 2018? Virat Kohli. North Korea has signed a deal to documentation to country with USA. Which Nobel Prize winner dies on 18 August 2018? Kofi Annan. Nobel Peace Prize winner Nadia Murad got prize in peace. Sarmat International ballistic missile is the Russia. According to Asian Development Bank, the growth rate of India at the financial year 2018-19 is none of these. Which are the largest airport under construction? Turkish. G20 summit will be the 15th meeting of Group of 20. It will be held on November 2020. Riyadh. PP, the third largest party in National Assembly, 55 seats. In 2018 election, the Grand Opposition Alliance nominated for Speaker Khurshid Shah. As per world record, which is the largest ambulance service in the world? AD. Air bubble in water shines because of the phenomena of total internal reflection. The flow of heat from hot to cold body is an example of isothermal. Cooling agent in nuclear reactor is heavy water. The lighting conductor or rod used for protecting building from lighting is made of copper. Qualities of muttaqin mentioned in Surah Baqarah. None of the above. How many purposes of Holy Prophet peace be upon him prophet mentioned in Quran? इसका ऑप्शन आप खुद ढूंढें. सुने अबी माजा is written by who among the following belong to Ashre Mubashra? Who introduced past market on Holy Quran? Iraq was conquered in the period of false prophet were subdued in the period of Abu Bakr radhiyallahu anhu. What percent in 250 gram 1 kg? If the radius of circle is decreased by 20%, then the area is. The value of x is given portion 1624. X is The average of 8 number is 12. If each number is increased by 2, the average of the new set of number is 39% can repair a road in 12 days working 5 hours a day. In how many days? 30% working 6 hours a day. Complete the work of 175-meter long train cross a 35-meter platform in 12 seconds. What is the speed of train in km/h? A bus covers a certain distance in 16 hours. It covers half of distance in 40 km/h and the rest of 60 km. Find the length of journey. A box contains 5 green, 4 yellow and 3 white balls. 3 balls are drawn at random. What is the probability of they are not same color? Two numbers are in the ratio of 15:11. If their SCF highest common factor is 13, find the number. Find the largest number. Divide 62, 132 and 237 to leave the same number in each case. The HCF of two numbers is 11. The LCU is 693. If one of the numbers is 77, find the other. Find the largest number. 4 digits exactly divisible by 12, 15, 18, 27. 3 years ago, the average age of A and B was 18 years and C. Joining them, the average age became 22 years. How old is C now? By selling a water for S560, a shopkeeper incur a loss of 20%. Find the cost price of the water for the shopkeeper. Watch. Find the number of numbers from 1 to 100 which is not divisible by 2. Find the number which when multiplied by 15 is increased by 196. If the number when divided by 4 is reduced by 21, the number is the sum of 4 consecutive even integer is 1284. The greatest of them is A is younger than B by 4 years. If the age are in the respective ratio is 7, how old is A? The age of father is 10 years ago was thrice the age of his son 10 years. Hence, father age will be twice that of his son. The ratio of their present age is 7:3. As the salary 20% less than B's salary, how much present B's salary is more than A's salary? 25%. Assange belong to which country? Julian Assange, Australia. 125 over square root 2 over third is 25. Quaid-e-Azam resigned from Congress in which year? 1920. US purchased Alaska state from which country? Russia. Who was Premier of Pakistan after Liaquat Ali Khan? Sir Khwaja Nazmuddin. Who is current president of Brazil? Jair Bolsonaro. Who is launched G5 in 2018? Huawei. Shortcut to increase font size. Control plus shift plus greater. Which country will host ICC T20 World Cup 2020? Australia. Who abrogated first constitution of Pakistan 1956? Skandar Mirza. Who presented law resolution? Fazlul Haq. When Basic Principle Committee presented 1952. First Constitution Assembly tenure was 1947 to 1954. First Umayyad Khalifa was Muawiyah ibn Abu Sufyan. Current Chief Justice of Pakistan is Asif Saeed Khosa, retired on 20 December 2019. 17. Hafiz martyred in which battle? Jang-e-Yamama. We Are Displaced book written by Malala Yousafzai.